In today's video, you will learn how to make a juice that alleviates joint pains. See how to make it. We've taught many juice recipes on our channel: green juice, orange, apple, papaya, pineapple, and even spinach and kale. Have you tried any of them yet? These are some juices that we're all used to making and drinking, right? Some juices are helpful for those who suffer from joint pains like arthritis, arthrosis, tendinitis, osteoarthritis, and bursitis. All these problems are usually treated with analgesic and anti-inflammatory medications. However, some natural ingredients contain properties that help reduce pain and inflammation, like turmeric. Other ingredients can also help in cases of knee, elbow, wrist, shoulder, and back pain, and also treat muscle spasms. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. If you have any of these issues, write down the ingredients: 1 orange, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon turmeric, powder or grated, 6.75 ounces water, 1 tablespoon pure honey. Peel the orange and remove the seeds. Cut into small pieces and set aside. Do the same with the lemon. In a blender, combine all ingredients except the honey and blend until smooth. Strain, add the honey, and drink. The recommendation is to drink this juice in the morning, still fasting, for a week. Make a 7-day pause, then restart the treatment. Remember that this juice is just a complement to alleviate pain. Don't hesitate to visit a doctor and ask for their professional opinion to start a treatment to improve your pain in the best way possible. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.